friends. All boulders are friends.
Yeah.
What is this? There's no water?
No. Yeah, there's no water.
Oh, okay, never mind. It's a dead fountain.
Albert. Good dog. Albert.
Recording.
Ah, ok. Albert, scemo di qua. Albert. You
Nice.
fuck.
Winter.
They shut it down and they opened again.
Okay, lucky for you, but here is closed. No water for you.
You want to go to the beach?
Yeah, this is the beach.
Yeah, no. The entrance.
It is the beach.
I don't have a coperta. I forgot to take one.
Oh my god, it's so fast, I can't capture it. Let's go.
You can try make more videos.
Do they have hot dogs, you think?
C'è toilet. Where is
You can go to the bathroom now.
Huh?
You can go to the bathroom now.
Yeah, but
Never mind.
Today I want to talk about the LX100 Mark II and its capability in video departments. So first of all, the IBIS. There's no IBIS, there's lens stabilization, I believe. But anyway, it's very, very bad in video. It's very shaky, especially if you're walking. 1080p, I was shooting in 1080p the whole time because 4K has a huge crop. 1080p image quality is decent, it's not great. Definitely better than the Sony a6000 series. It's good enough. Dynamic range is not great when you have high contrast scenes. Highlights is going to be super blown out. Obviously, you don't have a very nice color profile in this camera that helps you to increase dynamic range, so that's another problem. You don't have vlog natural. Yeah, it was all natural profile. Bokeh, I think if you get up close, the bokeh is pretty nice, very nice, delightful. It's comparable to the like a 12 to 60mm f2.8 to 4, even though the lens on LX100 Mark II is supposed to be slightly faster than the 12 to 60, but still look quite similar. Alright, these are some points I wanted to point out, and a full review will come someday in the future. Someday.